And it's now time for the business day. After some operational mishaps at Norman Manley International Airport, the Minister of Transport took a first look at the facility today. While there are signs of efforts to address the issues, the minister admits there's still a long way to go. Romarda Lyons reports.
Operations at Norman Manley International Airport have been somewhat turbulent. The transport hub has landed in several controversial situations in recent time. One, heat from travelers for dysfunctional air conditioners causing great discomfort. Now, after the tour Wednesday, Mr. Vaz said that issue has been rectified.
What is very clear is that the issue with the air condition is now fully resolved based on the coolers that were replaced. And that was really one of the biggest misery index factors. You can see the transformation in terms of the retiling and the whole look of the airport. It now looks like any other airport that you go to anywhere in the world.
Back in June, a flight from Miami to Kingston ended in chaos after the plane veered off the runway while landing at the airport. This was the scary landing of the American Airlines flight. The plane was badly damaged. The minister says the work being done isn't confined to inside the airport. The runway is also being worked on. This work, he says,
is far advanced in terms of the procurement, and that also is going to have a huge impact in terms of being able to attract more flights, bigger planes, etc., etc. So this is good, especially based on the last time that I came. And I can say that I'm satisfied with the progress. There's still work to be done, but obviously everything has to be done in phases, and it has to be done managing the logistics of operating an airport, and a live airport, rather than just a standstill project.
He says feedback from passengers has also been very pleasant.
I'm not getting the level of dissatisfaction and discontent. So work in progress, but I'm satisfied.
As for provisions being put in place for the incoming high season,
new kiosks have been installed, which will also ease the issue of the immigration congestion. But that's more a problem in Montego Bay because obviously that's where most of the tourists come through to enter Jamaica. So yes, we'll have some issues in the high season, but I'm satisfied that preparations are in place by the government agencies and, of course, the airport concessionaire.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.
Fuel prices are going down effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. Diesel will decline by a similar amount, while $2.94 will be cut from the price of each liter of ultra-low sulfur diesel. Kerosene will decline by $3.06. Propane will go down by 77 cents, while butane will be sold for 92 cents less. The Jamaican dollar lost against all the major trading currencies at the close of trading today. The US dollar is selling for an average $157.62. The Canadian dollar is selling for $113.14. The Jamaican dollar gained $3.04 on the pound. It's selling for an average $199.11, while the euro is selling for an average $167.83. And to the stock market now, the JSE index declined by roughly 520 points today, while the junior market index declined by roughly 48 points. Overall market activity resulted in the trading of 116 stocks, of which 43 advanced, 55 declined, and 18 traded firm. Among the winners, 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited Variable Preference, Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited, Productive Business Solutions 9.25% US dollar, Carbon Producers Jamaica, and Stanley Motor. Losers include Cargo Handlers, MPC Carbon Clean Energy Limited, Berger Paints Jamaica, MPC Carbon Clean Energy US dollar shares, and Regency Petroleum Limited. And that's it for the business day. International stories are next.